Hello, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to FastView episode 3. Today I'll be reviewing the new Saramonic Blink500 Pro B1. This wireless mic system supports professional video cameras, DSLR, mirrorless, smartphone, tablets, and even PC. As you can see right now, I connected the Saramonic receivers onto my Huawei Mate 30s. With this setup, I don't have to do the audio sync manually, and I save a lot of times on the post-processing if I need a wireless mic recording. Let's have a quick unboxing and see what's inside. There are some documents. It comes with a hardcover case that's solid enough to protect the Blink500 Pro case. Inside this accessory box are some cables, TRS to TRS output cables for cameras, or TRS to TRRS output cables for smartphones or tablets. Here are two charging cables, USB-A to USB-C and a USB-A to micro USB. It also included a dead cat or windscreen for the transmitter, which means I can use this as a mic for manual interviews or just clip on the t-shirts. It can also pair with a lav mic and keep the transmitter in your pockets. Coming to the case, there's a USB port on the back for chargings, while on the front there's a pairing buttons that does what it said. Both the receivers and transmitter will be synced and ready to be used with the press of a button. The case even charges the receivers and transmitters when you place it back to the case, just like how TWS earbuds works. A full charge can deliver up to 8 hours of usage, while the case will offer 3 rounds of chargings. Coming to design, the Saramonic Blink500 Pro is pretty small and lightweight. It has a bright OLED display that shows the battery levels, signals, and some other settings like volumes, mic gains, and much more. Weirdly enough, the chargings on the receivers and transmitters are using micro USB instead. This doesn't bother me much as I will charge it with the case. Here's the sound quality recorded with the phone directly. Here's the sound quality recorded with the Saramonic Blink500 Pro. According to the tech specs, the Saramonic Blink500 Pro, it can go up to 100 meters. So let's give a test and see how far I can go before the audio start to get laggings or breakings. At this distance, it should be somewhere about 30 meters, 40 meters away. How's the quality like? Hopefully it's still clear. How about the audio right now? Now should be somewhere about 50 meters, I guess. So here are the things that I like and dislike about the Saramonic Blink500 Pro. It has a portable design, sturdy build, easy to set up, long battery life, and it also comes with a charging case. The thing that I dislike is the case that comes with it. It doesn't have any more space for me to put the extra wires or the dead cat onto the pouch itself. And beside that, the usage of non-standardized USB chargings. On the transmitter and receiver, it has the micro USB to charge, and the charging case itself, it comes with a USB-C port for chargings. The Saramonic Blink500 Pro will cost RM799 for B1 model that comes with 1 transmitter and 1 receivers, whereas the B2 model comes with 1 receivers and 2 transmitters. More info in the description box below. So here's my thought of the Saramonic Blink500 Pro. It's portable and easy to set up, and it also works on professional cameras and as well as smartphones. In the fast-growing social media eras, podcast, vlogging, social media live show like Instagram Live, Facebook Live, making the Blink500 Pro a great investment to create high-quality content and interaction with your audience. If you like this kind of short and sweet product reviews, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to these channels, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, I hope to see you guys in the next one.